like to talk to you for a moment about questions. Don Miguel Ruiz said, don't assume, have the courage to ask questions. And as therapists, we know that asking the right question is very, very important. I have noticed over the past 40 years of doing therapy that there are 5 questions that come up over and over again. No, I am not talking about who am I? I am not talking about what is my purpose in life. Those are very big, global, wonderful questions, but hard to answer that in therapy. I'll give you a clue. It's a question that nobody asked me when I was growing up or when I went to therapy. And it is, what do you want? Your dreams, your desires. Desire, the word desire comes from désiré, which means of the stars. And your desires are your dreams. Your dreams are the architecture of your soul. I am inviting you to join me for a course, an intensive that I call 5 Poems to Change Your Life. I have paired 5 essential questions with 5 amazing poems and prompts for us to dialogue with meaningful questions. And the answers, of course, are going to be supplied by you.